is going on, my friends? It is good to be back making yet another video for you guys. And as you can tell by the intro shots, these shots are color graded with the new LUT pack that Sam Kolder and 20 other creators created. And it's a really good LUT pack because not only are you entered in for a giveaway, but you also get this cool group chat where you can kind of showcase your work and get feedback from each other. And it's a really good community, just helping each other grow as creators. But yeah, just jump right into Final Cut Pro. I'm going to show you guys how to put on these LUTs with Color Finale Pro and without Color Finale Pro, and also just a couple of tweaks that you guys should do when putting on these LUTs. So let's jump right in. Alright guys, so once we're in Final Cut Pro, the first thing we're going to do is add an adjustment layer. And you guys can download these from Ryan Engel. They're pretty much all over the place. They're really easy to download. We're going to add in an adjustment layer, and right away we're going to start off with doing it without Color Finale Pro, and then we'll do it with Color Finale Pro. So without Color Finale Pro, all we want to do is just type in custom LUT. Beautiful. Add in a custom LUT, and right here inside the menu bar we have a lot of options, and these are the ones I already used, so they kind of put them there for you. But for you guys, you just choose the custom LUT wherever you guys downloaded them. I did Google Drive, so I'm going to access them, and let's use Sam Kolder's LUTs because he probably has the best ones. And the desaturated green, open it, and like I already added in, I'm just gonna replace it, but for you guys, you can just click add. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We have the LUT, and as you can see, it kind of looks a little fake, so we're gonna adjust the opacity, and it looks pretty good. So we can add in a color board, just adjust the shadows and colors if you want, but for this video, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. And if you guys are using Color Finale Pro, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add in Color Finale Pro, and to put in these LUTs so you can get a preview, what we're going to do is we're going to go into kind of like preference bar, and right here we have LUTs. We add them in, and straight from the Google Drive, they work perfectly fine. And this is really cool, that way you can preview the LUTs and you can also do your adjustments, not having to go into like a custom LUT and doing it itself. So it saves a lot of time. We're gonna do that, and we already added it in. So now obviously Color Finale Pro, I do recommend. It has a lot more tools that you guys can access, which makes your footage look a lot better. But we're just gonna add in the LUT through edit layers, and right here we're gonna click on this tab to the far right, and let's type in Sam Kolder again. That's what we used earlier. And as you can see, we have the desaturated green look again that we're gonna go for. And yeah, that looks really good. And it's not only Sam Kolder, you guys can use a lot of other creators. It's Alan Palander, Noah Amaru, Sam Kolder, Rob Stroke, Matt Como. There's a lot of creators. So we're gonna add in the LUT, and we're just gonna adjust the opacity here just a little bit. You don't want to just stick a LUT and just leave it good. We want to adjust a LUT, and that's how LUTs should be work. We add them in and just adjust a little bit. So what we can do is we can adjust the tone curve, maybe adjust the greens a little bit here, or just make maybe an S shape, and that's looking pretty good. Raise up those shadows, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this LUT. We can obviously go into the vectors and create it more, but here we're just gonna add in the LUT and make it kind of basic correction here. So let's do another clip. Let's add in a base layer to this downtown shot of the Space Needle. Add in Color Finale Pro, and once we add it in, we go into the edit layers, far right tab. Let's do the Sam Kolder 2 LUT. I think that one looks really good. And adjust opacity, don't make it look too fake. Tone curve, you can add in a basic tone curve, and maybe raise up the shadows a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much the basic way of how to add these LUTs. They're that simple, and I do recommend getting them. There is a sale on them for only like 7 days, and the value is like worth way more than $70. So really good LUTs. But if you guys did enjoy today's video, please give a like, comment down below any other videos you want to see. But for today, that's it. It's Tony. I'll catch you guys next time.